How to export Airtable to Google Docs. Hello guys and welcome to this video. And today we're going to talk about this two platform called Airtable and Google Docs. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use this platform called Zapier.com to make these two interact with each other. Now what you're going to do is you're going to create an account in Zapier, and after doing that, you would be redirected to this dashboard over here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the Create Zap over here on the left side. And we would have these two options over here. We would have the trigger and the action. For the trigger, we're going to search for Airtable. Then we're going to select this. Then we're going to select an event, for example, a new record. And then we're going to click on continue. And we would need to sign in our Airtable account. But after doing that, we're going to go over here on the actions. And then over here, you're going to select the Google Docs option. Then choose the event. And then what you're going to choose is append text to document. And then simply click on continue. And just like we did earlier, connect your Google Docs account. After connecting your account to these two options, you would be able to publish this interaction. And you would be able to export from Airtable to Google Docs. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.